Hi, good evening, everyone. Can you all hear me? Am I audible to all of you? That's great. First of all, I'd like to thank all of you for attending today's webinar. And I'm very happy to see all of you, so many students. So, first of all, I'd like to inform you about our drawing teacher, Leena ma'am. How many of you already know and taking classes from her? First of all, give me a big thumbs up and a smile if you have already been taking classes. Okay, so today's session is going to be about the role of creativity for enhancing focus, memory, and values in child's life. And how many of you are having parents sitting with you? Because today's session is for you and your parents as well. Okay, so I'd like to thank all the kids and parents for taking out time on Valentine's Day and giving your precious time to us. Okay, so first of all, I'd like to tell about Alina ma'am that she's been teaching since last 16 years and actually even more. And she has been a drawing teacher and she used to teach in school, and now she's a senior drawing teacher in a well-renowned school in Agra. And before this, before coming online, we used to teach offline. She used to be a teacher and she used to teach students, little students like you all, in institutions. And because of the pandemic, because of the corona, we had to come online. And when we started coming online, when we started our classes online, we realized that even students from outside of Agra, even from outside of India, started joining us, and we got the fortune to meet all of you. By sitting Agra, we are able to connect with all of you from around the globe. Okay, so we are very happy for that we got the chance. And now I'd like Leena ma'am to join us and throw the light on the topic, the role of creativity for enhancing focus, memory, and values in child's life.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ayushi, and thank you so much, all my dear students, all my dear parents who are joining us today.
And one more thing, I'd like all of you to post your questions. Whatever questions you have during the seminar, you can post it in the chat box and we will read it in the class, and you can simply ask whatever you want to ask. Okay.
And before starting anything, I really want to I want to give my heartfelt gratitude for to all my parents, all my students. Thank you so much for finding out time for making this event the successful one. Thank you so much. And today, actually, since I'm teaching since long, so what I experienced, what I observed, a number of students they came in my contact, and while teaching about their personalities and how teaching helped them in enhancing their values and creativity, focus, and because what I personally feel, each child is like a butterfly, and like God bless different colors to butterflies. So same ways, each child is special. And I will not suggest any particular hard and fast rule for parenting. No, it is not actually possible because each child is different. And this is the thing which I observed during my teaching journey, that each one is so special. And you know what? Each one is special. God made everyone so giving some very special things within every child, every single child, whether the one is very good in academics or average or below average, each one is special. And I read this thought somewhere, and I really want to share that children are like butterflies. and they want to fly towards sky, and they all have different colors. But yeah, today and tomorrow they will definitely reach to sky, but they all have their own speed, they all have their own potential, है ना? So here what we as parent or as a teacher, we are supposed to do, we are supposed to see, observe and nurture. They are like small plants. And so today I will be sharing actually, first of all, I will start about colors. Okay, as I'm a drawing teacher and this complete seminar is based on the effect of colors. So I can see so many kids are waiting, and I just love you all, my parents, my kids, very much. And I will start and I will connect you with the colors. So students, I will start that everything around you, the whole world is filled with color. Everything around you is nothing but color. And you can see sky. You can see sky because of color. You can see lovely ocean because of color. You can see beauty in flowers because of colors. So everything around you has some colors, and everything is in our life we are able to see because it has colors, isn't it? And even the white color. And we think that white color is having no color, but you'll be amazed to know that white color is actually the blending of countless shades, countless. So everything which has beauty is because of colors. And you know what? Colors have a strong impact on our personality. Even if we are wearing, the colors we are wearing, our body is absorbing, and colors have their own wavelength, of reaching to you. Some colors have a very strong wavelength, like red. Have you ever seen sun? Morning time, it is looking white. But when it sets, sunset time, it is looking red. Why? Because that time also it has 7 colors. Blending of 7 color is white. Morning time, all colors are reaching you. But evening time, sun is so far that only out of those 7 colors, only red is able to reach you. And because of this, sun is looking red during evening time. Such beautiful concept, na, of beautiful nature. So you will start finding it and see every color, even the color I'm wearing, my body is absorbing. And every color is having its own specifications. Like few colors they support in meditation, few colors they give you energy, like orange, red, and few colors they give you calmness. Few colors are little negative also, and few colors are very good for someone, few are very good for someone. And all stars, planets, universe, it is also filled with colors. And you know what? Sometimes you must have heard about color treatment. In that, doctors, they make colorful lines on your palms, on acupressure points, and using those colors, they're giving treatment because your body is absorbing colors all around you. Colors are continuously creating impact on you. So how can your creativity, your focus, your memory can be left behind? No, it can't be. Actually, our body needs color in this or that way. We are consuming colors, vegetables, beautiful colors, and fruits, vegetable color, and everything is color. Our body, our brain, it needs colors. Okay, so we are not separate. Colors are inseparable from our life. So this is the beauty of color, and this is the significance of colors. So when colors are all around, how can our brain, our attitude, our focus can left behind, can left untouched with all this? Definitely it is getting influenced with colors. And those who are doing painting, those who are doing coloring, they're continuously in contact of colors, sometimes red, sometimes black, sometimes pink. So what is happening? These colors are continuously, their brain is absorbing, and it is making them so positive. Believe me, even the any personality, any person, whether your dad, your mom, or you, those who are spending time with colors, whether those are lovely flowers or painting, art and craft, their brain is absorbing, their body is absorbing those colors, and it is making them so positive. They are always positive, and they always handle the situation with high life condition. The best contribution colors are making, they are making you so positive for future that whatever difficult condition is coming in front of you, you will face it with high life condition. This is the basic mental preparation colors and art is giving to you. And I think if you're prepared for your all challenges of life this ways, nothing can be, means all things which are difficulties, they are springboard for you if you are facing them with high life condition. So students, this ways we started. Yes, and this ways the importance of colors in our life starts. Okay, so kids and moms, if you have any question, you can keep posting me. है ना? So we will just pick up the questions and I will definitely share, love to share. Okay, and by the time I will start with my first topic, that how creativity and art help you enhancing your focus. Okay, how it helps you enhancing your focus. You must be thinking in drawing and focus, these two things are non-relevant, है ना? But it is not. Now, take it for example, a child of 5 years, okay? Don't want to sit for studies, hardly for 20 or 30 minutes, and afterwards don't want to sit for long. But the child loves to color. Why? First reason, colors are so bright, attracts the brain and mind, very attractive. Secondly, child is finding him or herself to express freely with help of lines, with help of coloring, is able to express himself freely. So what happened? The same child who is not sitting for long than 25 minutes for studies is sitting for 1 hour while doing art and craft work. So what is happening? While doing art and craft work, his sitting skill, his focus is improving. Okay? Although he is not doing studies, he is doing drawing, but continuously he is in contact of bright colors, getting influenced. And secondly, the capacity of brain of absorbing and being focused is increasing, and it is getting practiced. And slowly, when your brain start getting practiced of sitting for 1 hour and doing one work for 1 hour, it start creating impact on other things also. Okay, this ways, the one who is doing drawing for 1 hour start devoting more time. They become patient, they become more focused, and energy is also getting channelized. And also this ways, art and creativity help enhancing focus of any child. Yes, now I would like to throw light on the questions. Yes, students, if you have any question, you can send me on chat so that we can openly discuss about the problems or things you are facing, isn't it? Okay. And by the time I will be telling you about how it help you.
Ma'am, we have some questions now.
Yes, yes.
The first question is by Aroni that, ma'am, my daughter likes to do coloring but not drawing. Is there any reason for this?
Yes, there is a reason behind. See, students, they always want to do the thing in which they find themselves more free to express themselves. So coloring they like much because they, first of all, the brightness of colors, it always attract kids. And a color beauty, yellow color, orange color, these colors always attract because kids, they love color. Actually, they the memory, whatever they are looking at. Suppose an apple, okay, take example of one apple. So when a child is looking at a red shaped, round shaped apple, so brain is eyes are immediately capturing the picture and it is getting stored in your memory. So second time when you are telling about apple, immediately that picture clicked. Okay. Before giving answer, one more thing I want to bring in your observation. So whatever instruction you are getting, you are giving to your child is creating picture of that instruction in mind. Okay, this is child psychology. Parents, you please listen it carefully, especially if you are blessed with younger ones. So whatever you're instructing, child is creating a picture of that. It is relating that with a picture. Okay. So see, a child is not able to create the picture of no, don't. If you are saying, no, don't do this. Okay. No voice, no noise, this way. So child noise understand, but not able to create picture of no, don't. So what happened? Brain get confused and child is not able to get the instructions properly. So always give positive instructions. At the place of giving, don't make noise, say keep quiet, keep calm, this ways. Because no and don't, child is not able to create the picture. Okay. And now let's come to the point and question that want to do coloring, but not drawing. So see, you start with the coloring. This is now how smartly we are handling our child. Okay. Let's start where the child is having interest. Okay. Start with from there only. Like child love to do coloring. So let's give some coloring book and keep guiding, keep motivating for small efforts. Keep motivating your child. Keep very well done. Let's try some pictures, lines also. Let's do something creative also. And you can start with card. And special occasions are coming. So you are doing coloring such nicely. Let's make a lovely flower. Start with small things. And for drawing, give them proper step-to-step guidance. Okay. So when you will start with their interest and slowly, just with lots of encouragement and love, uh, with instructions, with proper guidance, they just turn them towards the things you want. Okay. And this is the way slowly and slowly your child will definitely develop interest. And it happens in many cases that students want to do coloring but not drawing. But believe me, lots of appreciation, proper guidance help them nurturing in that field also. Yes.
Ma'am, we have another question.
Yes.
That is, one of the mom is asking that my daughter is 11 years old, but she was not able to hear anything till 5 years. And now she's implanted and now she is able to hear, but she don't want to study anything. Can you suggest something?
See, first of all, lots of gratitude to God that now she's able to do. And I told you in beginning only ki each one is special. Each one. Okay. So, first of all, you need to find out and be little patient. Don't worry. Okay. With lots of patience, keeping in prayers. And I believe in prayers a lot, that whatever you want to start with, keep that thing in prayer, because prayers align you with protective forces. Okay. And you just start observing the interest of your child. Okay. As I replied in my first answer. And in what field that your child is having interest. So first of all, for making her focus and for making inclined and towards studies, you start with the things where your child is having lots of focus and interest. You start from there and slowly, there is a course, it is called Art Integrated Learning. Art Integrated Learning. In that, what we do, in learning, we use some demonstrations, pictures, models, and videos for teaching and activity-based learning. So hopefully for your child, activity-based learning will definitely help her a lot. Okay. At the place of going for simple words and spellings and answer, you can use some pictures, some models, or some art integrated learning will definitely help her out. So you please try and be patient. Don't be panic that she's not doing according to each one is having. Because of this only, I told you that there is no hard and fast rule of parenting. Do this. No. Each child is special, and mom, no one else is best at understanding this than mom. Mom and dad, they are the only one, they know that from where, how can I touch the heart of my child? And from that corner you start, and definitely you will be successful. Start from that corner where you can touch, and start from the interest of your child, and you will start getting. And I suppose one is very love nature. So if you're teaching some chapters, or sit in garden and teach, and give some short intervals, so these things will definitely help out. Thank you. Yeah, and kids, please, you can ask questions. And kids, as they are listening very quietly, so some instructions for kids also. Okay, kids? So first of all, I want to tell you that wonderful lines of a great artist, that it is really difficult to think like a child and draw like a child. Yes, and even I experience the same. Because children, they are blessed. They are blessed with the great quality of believing. If you will say that you can go to sky, you can reach to sky and sit on moon, they will start believing. And as they have power of believing, they attract the same. And because of only this is said that prayers of kids and children, they always get answered because they have strong power of believing, which we elder don't have. Okay. So for younger ones, I want to tell one thing, that you all are blessed with amazing creativity, amazing creativity. So please nurture that. God gifted you that. Okay. So that creativity is not only about drawing and coloring. That is about nurturing the nature. It is about showing creativity in your values. And how I can help out my mom? How can I make lovely card? How can I decorate my house? Everywhere you can show your creativity. Okay. And creativity uh, is a blessings. And when you will keep yourself creative in this or that field, it becomes the part of your personality. As I told you, it start absorbing, your body is absorbing, your brain is absorbing. So when you will grow up and you will become you come in field of research, or you become a dress designer, or you become architect, so there also you apply your creativity, which is already there in your personality. So you are supposed to sustain it, you are supposed to preserve it. And how it will happen? When you will start spending time, whenever free time, just see that what creative I can do, because you have unlimited ideas. You have better ideas than elders. The only thing you are supposed to find out sometime. Okay. What is good for you, you know better. Listen to instructions of your mom. No one else can be better guide than your mom. Okay. So whenever you're free or mom is stopping you for something, beta, too much of mobile, now do something else, do this, or please help me for this. Be always there. Okay. So these all things are about creativity, and this creativity will definitely make you a better person and help you enhancing your personality and in your future career options also.
Question.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have one more question that Arush's mom is saying that when you teach drawing uh, to my child, make it but when I told him to draw by your imagination, he is not able to do it. When you teach, yes. So can you give me any solution for this so that he can draw using his imagination also?
Yes. See, Arush, thank you so much for such lovely question. First of all, because one thing, parents, I want to tell you that be little patient, and be little patient. Drawing is also an art of continuous learning. है Now see, a child is doing very nicely when he's in guidance. So when in guidance, a child is doing, and everyone is having his or her own capacity of absorbing the instructions. Few they just get very nicely. Ki now this is the way of making figure, but few they take little time to open up. But learning is definitely uh, creating impact on their creative corner. Okay, so be little patient. Arush is very young. Let him learn little more. Let him learn. Creativities are there in sleeping mode. Okay, so nurture and motivate little more and give little more time, and definitely he will come out with flying colors. Okay, and if child is able to draw according to instructions, so one day will definitely come, he or she will be able to draw independently, because now the child is able to understand the method of making. Okay, suppose a child want to make a butterfly, so the basic method of making butterflies a child knows, and want to use that butterfly for some other designs or some other in some other designer ways. So he or she will be definitely able today or tomorrow, but you are supposed to be little patient. Okay. And yes, one more thing I want to tell ki parents, so this is for parents, that normally we do one thing, we analyze the artwork on basis of two things only, tidy and untidy. But no, there is one more perception. There is one more dimension of your child's work, and that is creativity. Whether the work is little abstract or whether little untidy, but the main thing is creativity. Okay, so and start observing about this question. Start observing that what things Arush love to make, draw. Do he like to draw alien pictures or models of cars and bikes or buildings and monuments? है ना? तो here also slowly and slowly after getting guidance, students start opening up. So be little patient, and definitely this regular guidance will nurture, and today or tomorrow child will open up with his or her own ideas, for very sure, for very, very sure. Yes.
Ma'am, we have one more question from Shubhankar. Please unmute yourself, Shubhankar Goyal.
Yes.
And you can ask your question.
Yes. Yes, Shubhankar, please unmute yourself. Yes, Shubhankar, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, we have one more question that my child shouts at everyone and don't obey anyone.
Yeah, yes, this is a major problem many parents are facing these days. See, here I want to tell one thing that first of all, a very quality time, and we think like if kids are so small, they don't understand anything. No, sometimes when for something child is getting angry, just make your child sit and ask, "Ki, why are you getting so angry? What you actually want?" Sometimes it happens. Suppose a child is doing something wrong, they start shouting, they start beating sometimes, but we are not exactly telling kids, "Beta, this is wrong." But this is wrong, so what is correct? You know, we are supposed to instruct them. They expect that they should know that this is correct. Okay, don't throw toys here and there. But if you don't throw toys here and there, so what you're supposed to do? Again, instructions not negative, positive. So in positive instructions, you're giving solution. Okay. So first of all, when your child is shouting a lot for small things, when do you make him sit and ask, why are you shouting? What you dislike? Do you dislike the things or respond of any elder one? Or what thing disturb you? What thing disturb you? Why are you shouting? Just try to get a proper reply. Yes, sometimes there are some reasons for behind child's behavior, and we just ignore. Okay, as young child must not be thinking or so deeply, but small things of environment are disturbing that child also, you know, because lots of emotional support child is needing, and so many things child need. And secondly, child is imbibing the things around you. Whatever child is looking at is imbibing in the personality. So is someone using this kind of means we are using this kind of language in which one is shouting a lot in house, child found you, this is the way of talking. So make him sit and make him realize, make him understand this is not the correct way. When you shout, it looks very strange. It don't look nice and decent. Talk nicely and gently. Then you will look nice, wonderful. And this is not the correct way of replying. So very means very simply, you can explain that this is not correct and what is correct at the same time. So you are supposed to explain this also, what is correct and what you're supposed to do. This solution you're supposed to give. And slowly with patience, you will definitely overcome. Don't lose patience. Be patient and you will be overcoming it, able to overcome it.
Vasavi, please unmute yourself and ask a question.
I think you read. Okay. Please unmute yourself.
Can you hear? Ma'am, her question is, my child always sits at drawing. She will neglect studies. Please give a solution.
Yes. See, why your child is like drawing but ignores studies? Now, the first question comes here. See, the interest of any subject develop or start decreasing, it completely based on the way of teaching. Okay. So it's in hands of teacher undoubtedly that how much interesting she or he is making his or her subject. Okay. Secondly, the concept should be clear. Sometimes kids, they are losing interest in other subjects because the basic concept is not clear. They're literally mugging up. So you please take care that whether the basic concept is clear or not. And yeah, that solution is art integrated studies. Okay, use of model. Like if you want to show the water cycle, so you can go in kitchen and just use bowl and just put some water and how it goes up and this clouds are formed and it comes down. So using this kind of creative activities, art integrated learning definitely make kids more make the subjects more interesting for your kids. Okay, so this is the way art integrated studies is always helpful. So drawing they love because they are free for their expressions, they come spending time with colors, they just love. But uh, there they are finding themselves not that joyful. So what very wisely are supposed to make all the subjects that joyful that one should start enjoying. So art integrated studies is very helpful. Now with wisdom, you're supposed to see that how you can integrate art in your studies. Use of picture, use of model, and some creative experiments. And in science, you can try this. And geography also, you can try this. You can show different stones and soil. With plants, you can show how photosynthesis is taking place. So this ways art integrated learning helps a lot in developing the interest towards other subjects. This will definitely help you out.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening.
My son is there in the pre-junior batch. Now,
Okay.
what happening is the way ma'am does the drawing, he finds very interest. But the thing
Achha.
is, he is unable to. I don't know, ma'am, what his problem is. He will not draw it with pencil, ma'am. I have to help him in pencil drawing. After that, he will take the black sketch pen and he will say, ma'am told to outline, I will do the outlining. First question.
Yes. Now
And
see
second
here.
thing is, ma'am, he will do the color. Ma'am is taking this color, that color. Yeah, ma'am is doing it. But the thing is, ma'am, he will not do the pencil work, ma'am. And I feel very
Now
bad.
see
Ma'am
here.
is teaching
If
and
you
I have to
focus
do it.
more, okay. Now here, see one thing I want to tell you. Now, if you observe the whole situation positively, okay. Now here, if you observe the whole picture, okay. Let's go for recap of the whole picture. Your child is don't want to do drawing, but want to do outlines and coloring. So now you can observe a little growth. When your child is giving even outlines, the growth is there. Okay, he's absorbing and observing line. That lines of pencil he's chasing. So growth is obviously there. He's growing because moving your sketch pen on lines of pencil needs lots of focus. And because of this only, we add this simple step in our drawing, every drawing that give outlines with sketch pen, because you are completely focused on that pencil lines. So first, although he is not taking drawing, so keep that thing that he's not taking a sketch with pencil, he's too young in pre-junior batch. So again, be a little patient. If your child is showing this much interest, I will give outlines, very challenging task, and I will do colors. Again, challenging task. So today or tomorrow, very soon he will start making drawing also. Give some time, like flower. Give it like a small bud. Now it take little time to open. Few open soon. Few take little more time. A sapling is coming from seed. Few comes out nicely. Take little more time. So give little more time. Indications are there. If child is able to give outlines, taking interest in coloring, so the next step is left, and that is drawing only. And very soon you will be finding that he will start telling that I will make drawing also. Now you leave. So you just start wherever he is enjoying. You just keep motivating. No, beta, you start with pencil also. But from wherever your child is want to start with his or her own interest, let him start from there. Okay. Be patient. Keep motivating with lots of love, so that with that compassion, with love, your child can switch on to sketching also. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm too lazy to studies and everything, ma'am.
So sweet, honest confession. See, now you know your weaknesses. है ना? कि I'm lazy for studies. We all know our weaknesses. I know my weaknesses that I talk a lot. So, see, we all know. No one else knows better than ourselves. We know ourselves better. And when you know that this is my weakness, it means 70% work is over. Now you know that my weakness is this and I'm supposed to overcome this. है ना? So you start making small targets. Small targets. Okay. First of all, keep in mind, I can do it. Okay. Laziness is not a big challenge. I will do it. I'm supposed to finish my 2 pages. I'm supposed to do practice of 2 diagrams of studies. I will do it. And started with prayers. Okay. Always start your work with prayers. Go to God. है ना? In whatever Almighty God you're believing in. Close your eyes and take blessings. God, give me strength and wisdom so that I can do it. Okay. And start setting small targets. Okay. You can see all around you, complete all small elements of nature. They are working day and night. Your mom working day and night. The things inspiring you. है ना? So when you will make small targets, don't make big target. If you feel that big target I'm not able to do, start making small target with prayers. Okay, today I will complete 2 diagrams, 2 answers of geography, 2 of maths, this, and 2 planning. That this much time I will keep for my drawing, this much for playing, this much for watching TV, if you want some entertainment. But I will complete this target. And before going to bed, you just tick that how much things I'm able to complete. Okay. This checklist will definitely help you overcoming your laziness. And be determined. Whenever you feel like to sit and do studies and your brain is continually saying, don't go, come on, play, you just count down, start countdown. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Open your book and start doing. Okay. If you're angry, 3, 2, 1. Finish. No anger. Okay. So this ways you can overcome. Okay.
I always make a timetable for TV, mobile, but I will never follow it. I can't follow that.
No, be determined. Okay. Now you start with blessings and you just believe I can do it. I'm not able to follow because I don't want. But if I really want to follow, I will be able to do it. Keep trust in yourself. Okay. You are blessed with ultimate power. God has given you ultimate power. Okay. You can do anything. If you can't do anything, you can do anything also. This is your choice. So now keep in mind, I can do it. From today, you will not use word, I cannot do it. Keep saying, I can do it. I will make a checklist and I will finish. Okay? Anyhow, I'm supposed to finish. Little determination. And you can do it. I have complete trust in you. Hannah, yes or no? Promise me? Yes. So just start working and small goals. Okay, small deadlines, and you will be able to do.
Soumya has a question.
Soumya, please unmute yourself and ask your question.
Yes, ma'am. I am Soumya. I am in the senior batch, and I have very much interest in drawing and coloring both. But I somehow don't like maths and just want to avoid it like all the time.
See, beta, it happens. You know? We all have different personalities. Few subjects are very favorite of ours, and few we like little less. You know? Sciences has also shown that girls are very good at these subjects, creative fields, and boys even. But each one is blessed with different kind of interest. So, beta, first of all, you start thinking and start thinking practically that how important maths is. When you will start realizing the importance of maths. Sometimes we dislike maths because we don't know its importance in our life. And for calculation, you should have interest, you should have knowledge of maths. And so this ways, the importance of maths first you realize. And secondly, you just see that whether your concepts are clear or not. And suppose you are learning algebra and you don't know the basic formula and you are doing, you will definitely lose your interest. So try to work on your basics. Okay. Try to work on your basics and do regular revisions or regular practice. And pick up a small part. and do practice of that. Sometimes in these all subjects, the basic reason behind losing interest in that subject is the basic concept is not clear. Basic concept is not clear. We are just continuing, but basic thing that how it is happening is not clear. So this is very important to you. If you feel that no, this thing is not clear, you take help of your tutor, your mentor, or your mom or dad, and make a basic thing clear. First, understand that how it happens. So once you will get it, na, yeah, this the ways it is happening and how it related to life, that how helpful it is to in your life. So slowly and slowly your interest will depth.
And ma'am, once I had also asked my counselor in my school that I make a timetable, but I'm not able to follow it. Then she said that make an hour timetable. I made that, but I'm still not able to follow. What should I do?
See, what I told you now, now you know that I'm not able to follow timetable. It means you know that where you are lacking. So it means, so like diseases, we go to doctor and first doctor diagnose. And once the diagnosis is clear, the medicine is clear. So now your diagnosis is very clear that I'm not able to follow. So what thing is stopping you following that? It is lack of determination. But you can do it. Keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Okay. And it is very correct suggestion. Small goals and comfortable goals you make in beginning. Okay. Don't make big goals, small goals, and keep time for refreshment and the work which you enjoy a lot. Suppose you dislike maths, so you're keeping 1 hour for maths, so you can keep some time for refreshment, like 15 minutes for drawing or coloring or listening music, and then again start. Okay, this way you can start, but be determined. No one else can make you better and make you victorious than you yourself. So determination you are supposed to, and start with prayers. Okay. Pray to God that I want that wisdom and determination that I can do it. Okay. I can just complete my studies, because these studies is so helpful. And I'm so blessed that I'm blessed with lovely opportunity of doing studies. And when I will study hard and become a wonderful person, I will be able to help all around me, those who actually need help. So keep this kind of thoughts also. This will definitely help and motivate you, because each child is having a very, very compassionate heart. So, okay, so now you are going to study because you want to do something very good for your parents, make them feel proud, and for society. And be determined that I will not lose. I will be determined and I will finish my task and then I will go to bed. So determination is very required. And for that, your inner strength will help you out. Okay. So in short interval, take little gap. Okay. Pray to God. Prayers will definitely help you out, and realize the worth and importance you're blessed with. So definitely it will help you making strong determinations.
Now we have Chaitra, who wants to ask her question.
Chaitra, please unmute yourself.
Yeah, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. This is Chaitra's mom. She's into junior batch, ma'am, and she loves your stories and your art of teaching and all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
And my question is, she's grasping the subjects good only, ma'am, but after some days, if I ask randomly or if I ask a question, she will forget that.
So see here what happened. Again, the thing come back to concept. Things, if we are just making them memorize and mug up the question, so today it will not last for a strong time. First of all, regular revision is very important. Revision plays a very important role, because when you revise a thing, it just get deposited, it's stored in your subconscious mind. And secondly, the concept. If the concept is clear, like suppose photosynthesis. Okay, suppose with help of a plant in your balcony, you explain this is the process of photosynthesis. See the leaves, this green color, you can just crush and show this green is the pigment which is making food, and see this way it is growing, and this way is the food water is going upwards, and this way the birds are blooming. So concept will be clear. Now the child will find it always more easy to understand and easy to store for long. If concept will be weak, so and regular revision for younger ones, regular revision is very, very important. And regular revision in short intervals will store that thing in subconscious mind and help that keeping in that storage in memory for long. So please you do try, ma'am, and it will definitely work.
Ma'am, now we have questions from Facebook as well.
Yeah.
Sonal Thakur is asking, we like to know that how to encourage kids to draw with his own imagination. He does good ways, you explain.
First of all, see a kid, again, a child, it's just like a flower out of which is trying to come out of a bud. So first of all, it will take time. If you want you have a bud and you want it to open next day, no. If naturally it will open, it will take little time to open. So same ways, implementing your own ideas needs a basic guidance. The step-by-step guidance is required. First of all, if you want to make a figure, suppose want to make a mom's figure, mom's picture, but don't have basic idea that how we make a figure of a lady. Suppose mom wearing sari, want to draw. So that basic guidance is very much required. Then basic material, want to make a card or want to make a model and don't have Fevicol, stapler and tape and all, won't be able to implement. So it's like this only. The answer of your question is give little time and keep guiding and encouraging. Okay. What will happen? Like I got one question, I replied that drawing will help you exploring the interest of your child. Because a few, they love to, as I told you, love to draw aliens drawing, space related drawings. Few of them, they love to make flowers and nature drawings. Few of them learn to make monuments and models and buildings. So first of all, drawing will make it clear for you, exploring your child's interest. And as your child is very young, so maybe whatever he is learning is not that very much part of interest, which give that inner click that now let's make it. So first, let your child open in a flower by taking step-by-step guidance, okay? And keep exploring. And himself, and you will be able to explore the interest of your child and give little time, okay? Step-by-step guidance and your motivation for small things, small creativities, you keep encouraging and motivating. Your motivation is like tonic, and never give negative feedback. Don't analyze the artwork on basis of tidy and untidy. It is so untidy, bekar. What is the use of learning? No. Try to see the another aspect, and that is creativity. So with these all three things and with lots of patience, you will keep nurturing. So definitely your child will open. Definitely. Few take little more time, few very quickly, but everyone is blessed with creativity. Give little time. Yeah, next question.
Everybody's waiting. Hello, good evening, ma'am. This is Meenakshi Goyal, a mother of Manvi Goyal. My daughter is in pre-junior batch right now.
Okay.
My question is for you. I am listening you from last 6 months, you can say, and I'm a big fan of yours.
Thank you so much.
I must say, you must be a good parent. You must be a good sister. And what should I say for you? I have no words for you, first of all, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your blessings.
Thank you, God, for you can see, you can say that I think you are a true angel for kids and for parents as well, because your stories are amazing, ma'am. Amazing.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
One advice I want from you, ma'am, that
yes,
as a parent, what should be our routine with children? Because I think your kids must be grown up, and so as a parent, what advice you give so that we should follow it, ताकि बच्चों में भी ऐसा एक routine set हो, ताकि वो हमें ना कहना पड़े किसी चीज को बार बार करने
हाँ,
के लिए उनको।
बहुत बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन आपने पुट ऑन किया है। और मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ, क्योंकि मैंने ये पूरे सेमिनार में सारे जो रिप्लाईज करे हैं वो किसी हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल, मेरे अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं जो मैं बच्चों के साथ while teaching I do। तो ये वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन एंड आई विल लव टू रिप्लाई दिस। सबसे पहले तो वॉट एवर यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम योर चाइल्ड, it should imbibe in your personality. If you want your child should listen and obey and respect elders, are you doing that? I'm not pointing out, but see, child will not listen to your words, but child will do what your child is listening. And the thing you want in his or her personality, like want to make your child little disciplined about things, keeping things around, so start giving that basic guidance, little responsibilities right from the basic beginning. And when child is playing, so give responsibility. Now this is your responsibility. Keep your toys properly. You can do it. And after doing that, please give appreciation. Don't forget to give. And secondly, small things, like suppose Diwali is coming special. Make strings, we will decorate, paint these diyas. Chalo, make a lovely rangolis. And we keep conducting sessions like underwater rangoli and all. So start giving responsibilities and communication, proper weightage. Suppose you are planting, doing some gardening. Now tell me which seed to give little importance. Like you are very important in my all discussions. You are very important. I want your suggestion. Okay, whether you are sometimes not listening but you just try to. Whether a child is young, and never lose patience. And never give negative comment and negative feedback to the work child is doing. Lots of appreciation and prayers undoubtedly, and the ethics and the values, everything. I found my kids were very young, I always found stories very best for shaping the young minds. Like if I'm observing and today you have done this thing wrong, so I just used to develop a story on that, as I use in my stories also, because stories are best in shaping young minds. So that little quality time, like while sleeping, doing rest during afternoon time, this was story and this happened, and today you also did this now. Now promise me you will not do this, and show your trust that I have trust in you. You can do it. You are my younger ones. And one more thing I want to tell you, that like birthdays and all coming, take them to outer world in society, like orphanage. Let them distribute the happiness. They should understand what they can do for society. They are blessed with lovely parents, what they have and what many of around you don't have, and how you can help them. This basic moral spirit, and this is the best time when you put a nice seed now, when you will put this, that you are supposed to do something for society. And because of this, God bless you with everything. So this water, this food, wonderful parents, your studies, everything is blessings. And with the help of stories and by taking them out. And I think mom knows better that how to touch that corner of any child. So this ways, if you will start nurturing these small things, we will start putting in minds. So when they will grow, initially you will have to work little for this, and afterwards you are free. The basic ethics will be so strong that wherever your child will go, will never be disguided. So this ways I think you can do that. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the great suggestions.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And we'll definitely, we love to be a part of any seminars or any webinars you attend. More than me, she loves to. I was taking my nap and she was like, oh, it's 7 o'clock. We have to attend that webinar, and she's so keen and she's so fond of you. I thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It's blessings of God that I have love of so many in my life. It's
Ma'am,
blessings.
You are a blessed person, I must say. Blessed person on this earth.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am?
Thank you.
Yes?
Ma'am, I love to learn calligraphy and I also want to improve my handwriting.
Oh my God, you want to do so many things. See, again, when you know that where you are lacking and you know what you want to do, it means 70% work is done. So if you want to do and that zeal is there, so what is stopping you? Start. Okay. if your schedule is very busy with homeworks and all, start finding out little time, है ना? And if no one is there, if mom can teach or any guideline is there, any book is available, start doing practice. Regular practice will definitely help you out. Okay? And start getting small, writing small thoughts, lovely cards, है ना? And start this way. So when you are clear that what you want to learn, it means 70% work is already done. Okay? So lots of blessings, all the best. And make a lovely card for me also. Okay? When you learn nicely.
All your stories.
Thank you. Even I love to share my stories with you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have my final exams coming and ma'am, I'm not able to concentrate at all.
Okay. So, see, beta, Myra Bansal, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Myra, see, first of all, again, you know that what thing you want to work over. है ना? So you are very clear with. First of all, you start analyzing that what thing is diverting you. Are you spending too much time, or what thing is disturbing you? है ना? What is disturbing your focus? So first of all, the thing which disturbs a lot is much more time as the classes are going online and all, and remaining time also we are spending the little fresh air. Okay, this age in which you are, little time which you spend in sunlight morning when sunrise, and little exercises and fresh air is very important for focus. You know, these days they are always inside and not going out. So first of all. Second thing, just make small targets. Sometimes such great syllabus and exams are coming, and you're thinking, I want to do study, why to do study, but you don't know from where to start. So a timetable will definitely help you. You just start thinking that this is the syllabus. Okay, in maths 3 chapter, science 5 chapter, and exams have 15 days. So all chapters, suppose overall all chapters are 30 and exams have 7 days. So 30 by 7, it means one day you are supposed to finish at least 3 chapters. So small target. Now in one day, how will you finish that? So small target you make and start working over that. Okay, every day you keep small target to achieve. Big target always make you panic. अरे इतना बड़ा syllabus है, कैसे होगा? तो ये panic जो वैसे होते रहते हैं ना, उससे हमारा concentration focus बिगड़ जाता है. हर दिन आपको मालूम है कि ये मैंने पूरा schedule बना लिया और इस तरह से मैं करूंगी, I will be prepared for my exam. But today I'm supposed to finish only 2 diagrams and 2 answers. So let's finish it. इस तरह से करो. और again, जब लगी कि focus नहीं है कुछ नहीं, start with prayers. Start with prayers, Myra. Believe me, सबको लग रहा होगा कि मैम क्या prayer बोले, but prayers align with protective forces, है ना? Give you inner strength. God says सच्चे मन से pray करो कि God make me courageous and give me wisdom so that I can focus, I can study hard.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask this: when you will start a drawing?
No, today we don't have drawing session. This is just seminar to talk.
Ma'am?
Haan, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, I am in class 5th and I am going in 6th class after exam, and 6 to 8 are senior classes, and I want to do all the stuff with the studies for exam and other activities, but I am not able to manage it. So please tell me a solution that art involved studies can help me managing it, and how can I enhance my creativity and studies altogether?
Wow, such intelligent question. Yes. So see, Arush, first of all, here your inner determination will work. Like look at your mom. She's working. During the exam time, she is giving you extra time, giving you 3 to 4 hours for studies. But that time also she is cooking, cleaning house. When your final exams will start, she will start devoting more time to you. She will give 6 hours to you, but still she is managing everything. So see, time has a very special quality. And that is, you can expand it to any limit. Like our Prime Minister Narendra Modi working for a nation. For him also time is 24 hours. For your mom also time is 24 hours. But whenever required, she is extending the time. So first of all, decide the schedule. Okay. If you feel that I don't want to miss my drawing classes also and I want to study. So see, proper schedule and timetable is always helpful. And small targets. And small targets. Set a small target of one day. First, you decide a schedule that this ways I will complete my studies. But in one day, I'm supposed to finish this target. Okay. And while going to bed, you just check that how much I was able to finish and how much is left. How much more I'm supposed to work with more determination. Okay. And keep your mom for you as inspiration. Whenever you feel I'm not able to do, look at her. She's managing everything with a great smile on face. If your mom can do it, why can't you? है ना? So inner determination is again required and proper schedule. If you will schedule your time, na, this much time I will keep for this much time for this much, so you will start observing that you will find time for every day. So this is called time management. Okay. So when you will start thinking and putting efforts for this, you will definitely be able to do. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I am in class 2. How to concentrate in my all works? Please give me some suggestions.
Okay, so tell me one thing, what thing divert you? Addiction of mobile or addiction of TV, or you feel that it do so much of studies, what divert you? Because when we know that this thing is happening, so we know somewhere that this thing is diverting me from studies. We know all weaknesses. So first of all, start observing which thing is disturbing your focus. है ना? So first of all, start using like mobiles these days. Mobiles are challenging, has become a challenge for parents. Although the studies are going on mobile only, but remaining time also students want to see videos and this kind of entertaining stuff on mobiles. So sometimes mobiles are also the great factor today, which make them mentally so tired and they're not able to focus sometimes. So beta, for you also the suggestion is same. What you do first, you be determined that I want to do it and I can do it. And make a schedule, small schedules, targets that every day I'm supposed to finish this. Pray for it and be determined and start working towards it. If I will sleep when I will complete this. Okay. And decide that this much time I will give time for drawing, this much for playing, and at this much time, 10 minutes for TV also. Then I will study, this time for lunch, and then finish it. So you will be able to be more focused. Okay. And again, if your concept is not clear because of which you are not able to understand, so work on the basics also. Okay. Make your concepts very clear, whatever you are learning, with help of your trainer or mentor, whoever is guiding you, take help of that person. Okay. And parents, if you have any question, parents. Okay, you got your answer? And see, this is so nice. Students, they want to be focused and they are very much worried about it. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, my son Ayan Gupta, that is 6 years old, that is your junior batch student.
Yes, yes.
Whenever you feel watercolors while you use earbuds, my son said, "Mama, मुझे तो brush use करना है." मैम, मुझे allow करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए?
Yes. It's a very nice question. See, for juniors, I'm using earbud because see what happened actually. For brush, you need little more command and control on your hands. Okay. So first, that training is very much required. Na? Suppose you want to do something, so training is required. So that earbud is actually your training. How to pick up color and how to apply without mess up. Without mess up, why? Because if you will mess up your work, so your work satisfaction will disappear. And it will affect your interest towards work. So your output should also be appealing. You should get work satisfaction. Okay, my work is so good. When you show others can say, wow, very good with watercolors. And see what is happening, that earbud you are using just like pencil and moving. So it is giving you focus. It is giving you command. It is giving you understanding with watercolors. Okay. So when it will improve and stability will come in your hands, definitely I will promote you to senior batch and you will be using all paint brushes. Don't worry. Okay. Ma'am, please unmute yourself. I'm not. Yes. I'm not able to hear you, ma'am. Unmute yourself. Yes.
मैम वो आपकी स्टोरीज इतनी अच्छी लगती हैं, आपकी उसको, और मैम इतना मतलब वो मैम यूट्यूब पे देखकर ना अपनी ड्राइंग बनाता रहेगा मैम, इतनी गॉड्स की इतनी अच्छी अच्छी ड्राइंग्स बनाता है,
नहीं
मतलब
नहीं, और सबसे बड़ी बात तो पता है क्या है कि उनके मन में अभी से डिजायर है कि मैं
Yes,
पेंट
ma'am.
ब्रश करूं। तो ये मेरे लिए इतनी बड़ी गुड न्यूज है, मुझे सुन के कितना अच्छा लग रहा है कि बच्चे और सीखना चाहते हैं। तो दिस
Yes,
इज
yes,
ग्रोथ, है ना,
yes,
ये
ma'am.
ग्रोथ है उनके अंदर की, जो एक बहुत बड़ा इंडिकेशन है।
यस
तो
मैम,
ये
2
स्टेप बाय
आवर्स लगा
स्टेप।
रहता है वो, 2 आवर्स मैम वो लगा रहता है, मम्मा मुझे
सो
ड्राइंग ही
स्वीट।
करनी है, आपकी रिकॉर्डिंग्स को देखता है, समटाइम्स तो क्लास मिस हो जाती है, 2 आवर्स
अच्छा,
लगा रहता है मैम, मुझे वो क्लास
सो
करनी है।
नाइस आरुष, एंड माय लॉट्स ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स आर विद यू।
मैम आप तो
थैंक यू।
मैम भगवान हो, मतलब वर्ड्स नहीं है हमारे पास मैम आपके
नहीं
लिए।
नहीं, thank you so much. I'm blessed. I got such lovely and grateful parents and loving kids. I'm blessed. God की blessings है मेरे लिए. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Aishani. हाँ, yes, Aishani.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, whenever I
Yes.
draw my artworks, I put pressure, but the color effect comes light. So how can we put a color effect?
How can we improve her coloring actually?
See, Aishni, the very first victory of ours that you are such creative child. You love to do drawing. So this is the great victory. If you have this, that nothing is impossible. I can guarantee you. Get a stamp paper, I can even write and sign that you are going to be a great artist. So see, the basic thing is that interest. And you want to work. You know the direction where you are supposed to work more. Okay? So now what you're supposed to do, like you feel that this is the lacking, my coloring is little bit not getting disturbed here. So little more practice and little more focus while doing work. Listen to the instructions that how ma'am is guiding. This is the correct way. And if in class it is not happening, recording is with you, try it again. And yeah, if you have so much of interest and you have strong zeal of doing and improving, definitely you will be doing, for very sure. And use Cabell colors because they are best. The color quality also plays a great role. What quality stuff you are using. So you are supposed to be very wise while selecting. If your color medium is not good, so even though you are very skillful, the output is not coming out that way. So work there also. And I can see Lord Buddha backside you, behind you, on your table, in your room. Such lovely drawing you made on your screen. So see how nicely you are doing, and definitely you will be doing best. You are amazing, and may God bless you. Thank you.
Ma'am?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask you something that I can't use watercolors properly. So give me some suggestion. How can I improve it?
See, for watercolors, when you are in my class, na, and you got promoted in senior batch recently, I think, hai na? Yes. So see, till now you were in junior batch, and you got promoted to senior batch just now. So you are trying to do, okay, and don't worry that it has become little shabby, messy or untidy. No, whether you are doing untidy, you are trying now, it means you are putting your efforts. And when you put efforts, lots of efforts with regular revision, slowly and slowly you start getting understanding and command over the medium you are using. Okay? And it teach you that here you took lots of water, so the next time you're not supposed to take. We learn from our own mistakes also. And my guidance is always available there. And I've seen your artworks. You are amazing, so creative. And the regular practice, and where you are lacking, what thing you're supposed to polish, where you're supposed to be little attentive, brush and color medium again. So things will come out nicely with flying colors.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening.
मैं सुपर सीनियर बैच में थी, बट अब आपने सीनियर बैच में
oh, I'm so sorry, वो टाइम की क्लैशेस की वजह से, बट अगर इतने क्रिएटिव मॉम को मैंने खो दिया उसकी वजह से, तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा लॉस है.
नहीं मैम, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. अगर मैं पूरे दिन की जो मुझे टायर्डनेस होती है वो आपकी ड्राइंग करने से सब खत्म हो जाती है. स्ट्रेस रिलीविंग है, बहुत अच्छा.
यस, ये बहुत अच्छी चीज आपने अभी पूछी और बताई मुझे. एक्चुअली मैं सारे पेरेंट्स और बच्चों को ये बताना चाहूंगी कि आप पढ़ाई से भी जब ओवरबर्डन हो रहे हो और आपको लग रहा है कि कुछ स्ट्रेस रिलीविंग चाहिए, तो कलर्स में वो ताकत है. कलर्स। और आप पता आप अमेरिका और अब्रॉड तो एडल्ट कलरिंग बुक के नाम से बुक्स डॉक्टर सजेस्ट करते हैं, रिकमेंड करते हैं, जिसमें ब्राइट स्केच पेन कलर से आप माइन्यूट डिटेलिंग को फिल करते हो और वो आपको डिप्रेशन तक से बाहर निकाल आता है। डॉक्टर्स उसको करते हैं। एडल्ट कलरिंग बुक के नाम से आप सर्च करोगे तो यू कैन सी ऑन यूट्यूब कंप्लीट वीडियोज दैट हाउ इट हेल्प्स। तो ये वाकई एक बहुत अच्छी स्ट्रेस रिलीविंग थेरेपी है जब भी आप ओवरबर्डन हो। और अभी आप चाहे मेरे साथ नहीं जुड़े हो मैम, बट प्लीज कीप योर सेल्फ कनेक्टेड, यू आर वेरी क्रिएटिव। और कभी भी आपको लगे आप मुझे आर्टवर्क भेजिएगा, आई विल लव टू सपोर्ट।
सीनियर बैच में ट्रांसफर ले लिया है, मैं उसमें भी एंजॉय कर रही हूँ।
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू। द सिलेबस इज मोर और लेस सेम मैम, थैंक यू। यस
Dhruti, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
yes. हाँ
ma'am,
yes
I love drawing and art.
Okay,
But
that's
if like somewhere it gets spoiled, but I'll get so angry.
see
I
again.
can't understand what should I do.
See, you know what? In Hindi में one thought is there कि हमें गुस्सा आता नहीं है, हम गुस्सा करते हैं। तो जैसे अब तुम्हें ये मालूम है कि I get angry, यानी you know your weakness. तो पता है you know what बेटा, जब when we know कि this is our weakness, 70% work is over. As I told you earlier, जब हमें पता होता है कि हमारी ये वीकनेस है और हमें इस पे काम करना है, जब हमें पता चल जाए कि हमारी बीमारी क्या है, तो उसके लिए दवा करना बहुत आसान होता है। और ये बेटा बहुत अच्छी बात है कि आप इतने छोटे हो, इतने प्यारे हो, पर अभी से आपको पता है कि नहीं ये एंगर मेरे लिए ठीक नहीं है। तो जब आपको पता है ये एंगर ठीक नहीं है, तो बस एक डिटर्मिनेशन, छोटा सा डिटर्मिनेशन आज लेना है कि अगर ये ठीक नहीं है तो मुझे अब इसको करना भी नहीं, मुझे काम रहना है। क्यों गुस्सा करना? गॉड ने इतना कुछ दिया है। स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट द थिंग्स गॉड ब्लेस्ड यू विद, है ना। कई बार हम हाइपर हो जाते हैं क्योंकि हम बहुत सारी चीजें जो हमारी लाइफ है उसका ग्रेटिट्यूड नहीं मानते, है ना। We don't have gratitude for things we are getting, and we hyper when we are not. We have little attitude of being quick-tempered, है ना। तो तुम्हें you start working on that, and whenever you feel that I'm getting angry, start countdown. Just hold your fingers tight this way and start countdown 3, 2, 1, and now I will not get angry. Okay, so this small exercise you do, and slowly and slowly it will become part of your personality. Okay, so this was all about our seminar.
Thank you,
and definitely you will be successful. Okay, so from today, after this seminar, just full stop to your anger. Okay, whenever you feel that I'm angry, just give a big smile. That why should I get angry? I don't want to get angry. Okay, so thank you so much, parents, kids. Time, your precious time, and so patiently you listen me, and even it's a pleasure to share my experiences and few things which I observe in my life while teaching and all. So thank you so much for giving this opportunity of sharing. Yes, beta. Yes.
And I'm in senior batch.
Junior.
Actually, junior batch.
Okay.
And I learned so many drawings. I have a real confusing questions.
हाँ बोलो.
I don't like study.
अच्छा.
Very much. I want to watch it very whole day. I want to watch it whole day. Give some solution about
What you want to see TV whole day? So sweet. I'm seeing the innocence of kids. They're honestly confessing. They know their weaknesses. See, Arush, first of all, I just looked at your video, your artworks. You have a great artist in you, first of all. And see, is God bless you. You know what? God bless you with so many things, with intelligence, with such lovely parents and everything. Few days back on Saraswati Mata's drawing, that Basant Panchami, there was one story in that Saraswati Mata took that child to orphanage, and tell that that child dislikes studies. And she asked, don't you want to do something for them? So that child replied, I dislike studies, but yeah, I want to do something for them. So Saraswati Mata replied, if you really want to do something for them, so first you are supposed to make yourself capable. है ना? So here, see, this was the about story, but I will suggest you, do one thing, you just make a schedule. Like, as you like to see TV a lot, so don't leave it immediately, but start reducing the span. Like suppose right now you are watching TV for 5 hours. So make a schedule in which you will add 1 hour studies and reduce the time of watching TV. And be determined, you know that electromagnetic waves of TV and mobiles, they are affecting you. Hai na? And your eyesight and brain also. So you're supposed to reduce that time and increase time of studies. And slowly, not immediately, with determination. Okay, this is not good for me and it is disturbing in my studies also. I can be determined. You just start reducing the time spent with lots of determination and slowly increase the time. And for this, you be determined that I am supposed to be firmly on my schedule, that I will not exceed the time which I keep for watching TV. Okay. So when you will be more determined for doing this now, and that time, suppose you you feel like to do some entertainment. So you can, at the place of watching TV, make some drawings, do some creative work, because that is also giving you same enjoyment. So creativity can be better substitution for TV. So this way, slowly, your time which you're spending with TV will reduce. Creativity will help you because you love to draw. Okay. And with firm determination, slowly, you will start reaching to your goal. Okay. Keep working with determination, with prayers, and you will definitely be successful. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
We are from Dubai.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
I thank you so much, ma'am, for the wonderful classes. I saw come on, say hello.
I like the drawings.
Oh, so nice of you. Thank you so much, my dear.
Ma'am, my question is, how long would you continue these online classes, ma'am? Because we will not be attending the face-to-face classes. I loved your classes. I want my daughter to continue this. So would you be continuing like after this pandemic also?
Yeah, ma'am. We are going to run it on long run, because even I found, as I was teaching in one college since long, and I was taking offline classes also. So when parents started demanding, ki, ma'am, you start taking, so even I was confused ki, whether students will be able to learn without my physical presence. But somewhere I felt that those who are connected and want to learn, so I should be present to nurture that creative corner and creative talent. So I decided, okay, I will switch on. And I observed that here, as each and every stroke is clearly visible, and that child knows that you are supposed to be more focused. If we'll miss even a single step, so we'll be left behind. So very much focused. And I observe better results in online classes than offline.
Yes,
they are doing so well, and I got very good response from parents for my stories. When they tell me that how your stories are shaping young minds, so I take it as opportunity of God, that I'm blessed, that if my words are somewhere touching that corner, okay, if my words are somewhere able to nurture that creative corner, I'm able to touch that heart, or I'm able to add some values in any ways. So I take it as pleasure for myself. Means I feel as a blessings of God.
Absolutely.
So,
it is going very well online as well. Even I was little confused, like whether it goes well or no when she's joining. So I thought in that way, but it is going very well.
Yeah, so I will continue. We are going to continue for long until we are finding response like this. We will continue, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. And one more question is, like, she keeps erasing a lot, like writing as well as drawing also. She uses eraser a lot. Like one line she draws and she keeps erasing a lot. Can you give me any tips, ma'am?
Yeah. Because of this only, I always start instructing with a dot. First instruction is how to use your file vertical or horizontally. And second instruction, if you will see the videos now, from where I start, I take a dot, and where I finish, I take a dot. Suppose I want to make a shape, so I will take a shape, I will take a point from where I start, how much height will be there, and where I will finish. And I always keep instructing them, don't make drawing in a hurry. With patience, you make the lines so that you can minimize the use of eraser. So don't worry, with proper step-by-step guidance, definitely she will overcome this also. Okay? Yes or no? Yes, no? Be more observative and lots of patience. Don't draw it in a hurry. And use your pencil very light. Okay? And you are amazing. I normally see your drawings, and you are amazing artist. Lots of blessings.
मैम मैम मतलब मेरे बेटे ने 2 महीने से ही आपकी क्लासेस ज्वाइन की हैं। पहले तो वो बहुत अच्छा, उसका मतलब ड्राइंग में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है, अपने आप बैठ के पेंटिंग ड्राइंग सब करता था। तो मैंने कहा चल मैम की अच्छी क्लासेस लग रही हैं, ज्वाइन करा देती हूँ। मैंने ज्वाइन करा दी। वैसे वो बनाता है तो आपकी ड्राइंग बहुत अच्छे से बनाता है, और आपकी जो फ्री क्लासेस भी यूट्यूब पे वो भी बनाता है। पर कभी-कभी अब कुछ दिनों से बच्चे गली में जैसे साइकिलिंग करने लगे हैं, खेलने लगे हैं, तो अब कभी-कभी उसे पता है मैम की जो है ना यूट्यूब पे ये वाली की लिंक भी आते हैं हमारे पास, बाद में बना तो कहेगा कि मैम मम्मी, कभी-कभी कहता है कि मम्मी बच्चे ना साइकिलिंग कर रहे हैं, मैं ना बाद में कर लूं, वो साइकिलिंग कर लूं। तो मैं मुझे ऐसा
नहीं करने दीजिए। देखिए वो इतना प्रॉमिस आपको अगर कर रहा है कि मैं वीडियो से कर लूंगा, तो छोड़ दीजिए, कोई नहीं।
वैसे वो कर लेता है वीडियो से, वो कर लेता है उसमें।
करने दीजिए। देखिए साइकिलिंग भी उसके लिए उतनी ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, और जब वो बच्चा अपने आप अपने टाइम को मैनेज करके आपको प्रॉमिस कर रहा है, कमिटमेंट दे रहा है कि मम्मा मैं कर लूंगा, उसे अपने डिसीजन मेकिंग के लिए छोड़ दीजिए। बहुत अच्छा डिसीजन है, वो भी उसके लिए उतना ही बेनिफिशियल है। एंड मेरी ब्लेसिंग्स उसे दीजिएगा। सारे बच्चे जो सेमिनार्स में हैं, ऑल माय स्टूडेंट्स, माय लॉट्स ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स फॉर एवरीवन, एवरी पेरेंट। Okay, and thank you so much for your blessings, for your love, for your support, and I don't have words to show my gratitude to each of you. Thank you so much, and now it's time to wind up. Thank you so much for being so patient, for listening and making this event a successful one. Lots of blessings. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Good night.
A few of the students, as I can see, the questions, so many questions are still left. Please send us on Facebook or on WhatsApp, and we will try to arrange another session as soon as possible so that you can ask your questions personally. Because there is a long list of questions still left. So many parents are asking on Facebook and Zoom also. So we'll be arranging for another session very soon. We have to wind up as we are running out of time now. So we'll be winding up, and thank you so much everyone for being a part of this and making it successful. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye. Good night. Thank you.